Synex 13, released in late 2025, is a Debian-based Linux distribution from Argentina designed for stability and simplicity, particularly for small businesses and individual users. Built on the rock-solid foundation of Debian 13, Trixie, it emphasizes a minimalist, distraction-free environment that is easy to deploy and maintain. The distribution offers a variety of desktop environments including KDE Plasma, productivity-focused, GNOME minimalist, XFCE balance, and LXDE low resource, alongside a dedicated server edition. Synex 13 maintains a ready-to-use philosophy by integrating essential modern tools like the Calamares installer, Flatpak support, and a dedicated NVIDIA driver assistant that functions across both X11 and Wayland. The primary difference in Synex 13 compared to previous versions is the shift to the Debian 13 base, which introduces significant security and performance updates under the hood. This release debuts Synex Center, a new centralized welcome application and control panel that serves as a one-stop shop for system configuration and updates. For administrators, the version introduces Synex Control and the Server Hub CLI, which are new native tools designed to streamline the management of server environments. Furthermore, the installation process has been modernized with enhanced support for LVM, logical volume management, and LUKS2 encryption via a new utility called Synex LVM Setup, and the addition of curated third-party repositories including Microsoft Edge, OnlyOffice, and Zabbix Agent.